So in previous demo, we just created a simple Spring project, and in that we wrote context.xml which manages all your dependencies. Now we are going to write a test method, or you say a test case, using JUnit on this message logger, and we'll be running it using Spring JUnit runner in order to ensure that all dependencies are provided to the running context. I'll select this class, new. I'll go to JUnit test case, let it be, click on next. I'll test set message, click on finish. Now here I have test message. Now first thing that I have to do is I have to customize it so that it can run this test using. Now first thing that I'll be doing here is I will be specifying the required infrastructure in order to run the test. I'm using a run with value Spring JUnit class runner, and I have to just go and declare here my dependency, which is message logger. I'll take here message logger equal to null. We know that this message logger is configured in the file here, in the test file, with proper injection to the string property called message, and that is what we are testing as of now. We'll go here and we'll specify an annotation in order to do auto wiring. I'll take auto wired. This is done. Now I'll go and I'll add the assert statement. Right, I can remove this setup and tear down as we don't need it here, since our fixtures are not very complex. And here I'll comment out this fail in order to explicitly fail the test, and as done in previous demo, I'll be using assert here. Expected value is the value which is specified in the XML file, and I'll just go here and write logger dot get message, and I'll go to the XML file, pick up the value from there, and I'll just paste it here to ensure that our test passes. Just go Control V and I'll save it. Now once I run this test, you'll find that dependencies are injected as a result of @context configuration and auto wired that we have done, and you are using Spring JUnit 4 class runner, which implicitly takes responsibility of running the test cases. I'll just go and run it like we run normal JUnit test, and we'll see the result. If you see, test passes because message here is the same message which was injected. Now in case if I'll change the message and if I'll run it again, you'll find the same test fails. If you see, this test fails, and you can specify reason also. You can see reason is expected was learning Spring test, but was learning Spring test without any value, right? So you can find the JUnit report in this particular way.